Hey YouTube, it's Des, and today I'm going to be doing a review on SNS Nails. Now, it's not really a gel, but it's not acrylic either. I think it's just powder if I'm not mistaken. I didn't do much research on it, but let me tell you guys, it has changed my life. I've tried all types of nails, and this by far is like the best thing that they have come up with. I wanted to go ahead and wait. This is actually 4 weeks in, so it's a month in, and these are my nails. So this is what the nails look like after 4 months, guys. Absolutely no chipping or anything. Of course, my nails have grown out, but they look absolutely amazing at 4 weeks in, minus, you know, the growth, which happens when you have on acrylics or gel or anything like that. And it is like $30, so it's only like maybe $5 to $10 more than the gel nails, but it lasts like at least a month, and sometimes you can even get 5 weeks out of it, depending on, you know, how you are when it comes to like the growth on your nails. Like some people are really particular. Let me get it back on camera. Some people are really particular. I can't get it back on there. Some people are really particular about, there you go, about like the growth of it and, you know, it looking kind of crazy. But for me, I usually go every month to get them redone, so it's like $30 a month. I'm actually stretching it another 2 weeks because I'm getting ready to go out of town, so I just want to wait those 2 weeks. And the thing that I absolutely love about the SNS is that the process is a little longer than gel nails. I mean, a lot longer, I'm not even going to lie. It's probably about the same as acrylic nails, like if you're getting like a full set, because these have to be soaked off, which takes a good 20 minutes or so, and then it's a lot of filing once you like dip it in, just to, I guess, like to like blend it out. And I like for mine to be thin. I don't like the thicker look because I want them to be natural, which they are. All mine are natural, so I want it to look like that with the powder on top. I don't want it to look all thick and everything, so she has to file mine a lot. So I'm usually in there a good hour, and that's something I'm not really used to because I'm not that girly girl who likes to be in a nail shop or hair shop for hours. So it is a little more time consuming, but it's so much worth it. And then I've noticed that when she soaks off the SNS, there is like literally no dents in my fingernails, no discoloration. My nails look like, and they're so strong, like after soaking them off and acetone and everything, they're so strong. And I could possibly, if I wanted to, which I'm like addicted to these now, I could just go ahead and wear my real nails, put some clear on it, and be done. That's how strong my nails are when I take these off. And I really like this so much better than the gel nails. I was like so pro, you know, gel nails versus the acrylic, because acrylic does do a lot of damage to your nails. But the gel, it will always like either crack or chip, you know, like a week and a half in, especially if your hands, your hands is in a lot of water, which mine are. I wash my hands so many times a day, guys. I can't even tell you. So with these, I do still wear gloves when I wash dishes and stuff, but I have never had a snag, never had a chip, never had one of these nails break. And these are not like super duper short. They are pretty long or whatever. I mean, not too long, but they're long from what, you know, I usually have on my regular gel nails. So they do grow out pretty nicely. So if you guys are looking for an inexpensive way to keep your nails looking good, because you know when your hair looks good, your nails look good, you just feel better about yourself. And I was just trying to find something that will last, where I wouldn't have to break the bank, and SNS is it. So if you guys haven't heard of it, I know it's been around for at least a year, but it's just not getting down here to Atlanta because, well, I've just decided to try it. The nail tech, when I was going to get gel, she's like, you're here like every other week, like you need to just go ahead and try this powder. I'm like, oh, I'm not dealing with anything else. I'm going to stick to this gel. But when I tried it, guys, I will never, ever go back. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Videos will be up very, very soon, guys. I'm trying to work on my video schedule. I know I usually have videos up on Friday, but guys, I'm actually trying to get 2 videos out every week. So just bear with me. Until next time, YouTube. Bye.